Hello, thank you for stopping on by today. If you are like me, which you probably are if you clicked on this video, you've curled your lashes in the past, but haven't really thought about, like, am I doing it right? Does it make a difference how much pressure I apply or where I do it? Like, have you really given it a lot of thought? Because to be honest, I hadn't. And recently, when I've started Mascara Mondays, I thought I gave it more thought. And I wanted to know, is there a correct way to use an eyelash curler? And guess what? There are some tips that help you use this without damaging your lashes. So let's get down to some of those tips. But first, if you are new, hello, thank you for stopping. My name is Stacy, and I hope that you will hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this kind of content and my personality. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. You want to make sure your eyelash curler is clean. And ideally, you should clean it after every use. But if you're like me, it doesn't happen. So I just took some micellar water. I'm putting it on a cotton ball, and I'm just wiping this off to make sure it is clean. Because if you have any mascara residue, well, then that can make the lashes stick, and we don't want that. And then I just kind of press it down just to make sure I got it all. With placing the curler, you want to make sure that your head is tilted back a little bit. It just helps when you're placing the eyelash curler on that you're not gonna tug on the skin of your eyelid. So you're tilting up slowly. You're going to look halfway down and position the curler, and you want to get it as far back as you can without pinching your lid, of course. And you want to make sure you're going light-handed. You don't need a, you don't need to like power grip it, and you want to do pressing motions rather than just like a hard, like holding it down for a long time. Like hold it for about 5 seconds. So we're tilting back up, looking down halfway, and then we're just lightly. Because by not pressing down so hard, you're going to get more of a curl, where if you press down really hard, number one, you could damage your lashes, but also then you're getting more of a crimp, like L shape, more than a curl. And I know that one of the mascara hacks is to do a double curl, where you curl, put mascara on, and then you curl again. But ideally, like, you don't want to do that too often, and you want to use your curler before you put on mascara, just because when you put on the mascara, if it's too tacky, you have to be really, really careful so that your eyelash doesn't get stuck to this and get pulled out. And then if you want to, so you start at the back and then just work your way towards the forward of the lashes. So you're just kind of working it up, like kind of pumping a little bit, pressing a little bit as you're going up. All right, this is the M2U NYC mascara that we're trying out. Look at this mascara. So now that we're done, we want to just clean it off again, just to, again, make sure we're getting the, eyeshadow and everything off. You do want to make sure that you change the padding on here pretty regularly. You don't want it getting wore down. And a couple other things that I've been kind of milling around thinking about is to look at the different style of eyelash curlers and different price points and really comparing them to see if they make a difference. Would you be interested in that? And then also other ways to curl our lashes without using this, because I feel like it doesn't damage, but if we can maybe not use this every time we do our lashes, maybe it would be helpful. So would you like to see those two? Or do you already know, like, have you found that there's a difference between a cheaper one, a more expensive, or brands? Because I never really paid attention before, to be honest. And so I'd love to know what your thoughts are on that. Is you want to make sure your curler, hopefully that, okay, no, then I'll come back after I'm all done. And we have a couple, and let me know if you want to see some past mascara Mondays, then you can click on this video or this one. And if you haven't already and you want to subscribe, then you can just click on my face right here and that will take you right to the subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this. Thanks. Bye.